Are you looking for the best pocket drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pocket drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI MT2SD Mini 2 SE drone is a lightweight and portable device weighing less than 249 grams, making it ideal for hikes, road trips, and outdoor adventures to capture stunning aerial footage. Its compact size means no FAA registration or remote ID is required for recreational use. The drone offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes per battery, with combo packages including up to 3 intelligent batteries for a total of 93 minutes of flight. Equipped with a 2.7K video camera and 12MP still resolution, it delivers high-quality imaging easily controlled through the DJI Fly app, which features user-friendly shooting templates for professional-level videos shareable on social media. The drone supports a robust 10 km transmission range with DJI OcuSync technology for enhanced signal strength and anti-interference, along with wind resistance up to 38 km per hour for stable flight in various conditions. Designed for beginners, it includes simplified controls and a return-to-home function for added safety. Note that the DJI Fly app is now only available via the official DJI website due to compatibility issues with Google Play. Number 2. DEERC D20 Mini Drone. The DEERC D20 is a beginner-friendly drone designed for easy and fun flying, equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera that allows you to capture clear aerial photos and live video streams via FPV transmission on your smartphone app. It features a simple one-key start, landing button and altitude hold for stable flight, making it ideal for kids and novices. Safety is prioritized with a low-power alarm, emergency stop function, and 4 propeller guards. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that provide up to 20 minutes of flight time. It also offers exciting features like 360-degree flips, waypoint flying by drawing a flight path on your smartphone, voice control commands such as takeoff and landing, and gesture selfies that enable the drone to automatically take photos or videos when recognizing hand signs. This compact, portable drone ensures an engaging and safe flying experience for beginners. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight, foldable drone weighing less than 249 grams, making it exempt from registration in most countries and easy to carry on any adventure. Compliant with FAA remote ID rules, it offers true vertical shooting with a gimbal that rotates 90 degrees for perfect portrait shots ideal for social media. With an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, and up to 47 minutes with the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, it allows you to capture more of your surroundings. The drone features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0 for enhanced flight safety. Packed with intelligent features like focus track, master shots, time-lapse, and quick transfer, it enables easy creation and sharing on the go. The included DJI RC-N1 remote controller helps keep your setup compact, and compatibility with DJI Goggles 2, Goggles Integra, and RC Motion 2 offers an immersive FPV flight experience with real-time camera transmission and intuitive control. Number 4. Potensic ATOM SE. The Potensic ATOM SE is a lightweight, foldable drone weighing less than 249 grams, eliminating the need for FAA and remote ID registration. It features a powerful brushless motor that provides level 5 wind resistance for stable flight. Equipped with a 1/3 CMOS Sony sensor, the drone captures stunning 12MP photos and 4K at 30fps HD video with shake vanish technology for smooth and stable footage across a wide 118 degrees field of view and an adjustable camera angle from +20 degrees to -90 degrees. Designed for beginners, the Surgefly flight control system offers 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport, allowing users to grow their piloting skills, with sport mode reaching speeds up to 16 meters per second. The drone comes with 2 intelligent 2500 mAh batteries, delivering a total of 62 minutes of flight time, 31 minutes per battery, for extended aerial exploration. Featuring PixSync 2.0 technology, it supports up to 4 kilometers of stable, low-latency FPV transmission. With precise GPS auto-return, follow me, waypoint flight, and circle flight modes. The ATOM SE ensures safety and fun during flights. Firmware is regularly updated via Photo for enhanced performance. Compatible with iOS 11 and Android 7.0 or above, the package includes multiple adapter cables to connect your phone to the remote controller, offering convenience and flexibility. Number 5. Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus. The Autel Robotics EVO Nano is an ultralight drone weighing just 249 grams, roughly the size of a smartphone, making it easy to carry in your hiking pack or even your hand. Equipped with a powerful 1.28-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K video and 50MP photos with a large f1.9 aperture and an RYYB color filter for superior low-light performance and noise reduction. The drone features an advanced PDAF plus CDAF autofocus system for precise tracking of fast-moving subjects and supports HDR mode, which combines multiple exposures to deliver images with enhanced contrast and dynamic range. Unique for its size, the EVO Nano Plus boasts a sophisticated 3-way binocular vision obstacle avoidance system that detects obstacles in front, behind, and below, helping to prevent crashes and protect your drone. With the Autel Skylink transmission system, it offers an impressive 6.2-mile range, delivering crisp 2.7K, 30 FPS video with excellent anti-interference capabilities, making it an ideal choice for beginners seeking high-quality aerial photography and confident, safe flying.